Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this, we are going to discuss about opportunity pipeline view. Opportunity pipeline view is an or add-on on top of the default read-only view of opportunity table. With the help of opportunity pipeline view, the sales team will be able to keep track of their opportunity with a much comprehensive view to see their complete deal landscape. So when they move to this opportunity pipeline view from the default read-only view, the sales team will be able to see the whole list of opportunity records. In addition to the charts, they will be able to see deal tracker chart and sales funnel chart. And with the help of this pipeline view, the users will be able to see the record details directly within this pipeline view instead of opening the form separately. I will show you how this opportunity pipeline view works in Dynamics 365, and I will show you how to configure and set up this pipeline view for your environment. Now I am in my open opportunities view. So when I come to this opportunity, it will show this read only grid as a default. But once I enable this opportunity pipeline view, if I click on this show us, it will show me this pipeline view option. When I click on it, I will be seeing this different UI instead of the standard default read only. Here at the top, I have some metrics available for me: the total pipeline value, the number of deals in pipeline, and number of own deals. And these metrics are highly configurable, and you can add new metrics as well from your pipeline view settings page. And then in the top right, you have this option whether you want to see both charts and list together, or you just want only the list view. And as I said earlier, if you want to make some edits to these metrics, you can click on this edit metrics to make the changes to your metrics directly from this page if you are an admin user. For now, I will go with this combo type so that I will see both my charts and list together in a single page. And if I hover over any particular bubble here, it will show me a quick details about that particular opportunity. Before that, when you come to this deal tracker chart, each bubble here represents a single opportunity, and the color of the bubble shows the different pipeline stage. If the particular bubble is in red color, which means the particular opportunity is in proposed stage. So likewise, from the color, you can see the pipeline stage of this opportunity, and the size of the bubble represents the estimated revenue. If the size is small, the estimated revenue is small. If the size is big, the estimated revenue is also big. And the x-axis represents the estimated close date. Whichever the opportunity is nearing the close date will be in your left hand side. And similarly, the y-axis represents the probability. The records which are at the top has more probability to win. When I click on any particular bubble here, it will immediately show me the record details. The right side, you can see the form is getting opened, and from here I will be seeing the complete record details of each opportunity directly from this pipeline view instead of opening the form separately. Here at the top, you can select the form. By default, it will show you the form that you have already configured. I will show you where you can set up the default form, but as a user, you will be able to change the form from here. And then here you have this customize button. If you click on this icon, it will sh- show you different options, whether you want the complete header or you want the compact header here. If you want to show the business process flow or you don't want to see the business process flow here in this view. And similarly, if you want to extend this width of the sidebar, so currently it is very narrow, but if you want to extend little bit, then you can extend it so that the form will be little bit bigger. And if you want to open this particular thing in a full main form, you can click on this button over here so that the record will be opened in your complete main form. And if you scroll down here in the form section, you will be seeing the up next and other areas of your main form. Instead of seeing everything in landscape mode, within this pipeline view, you will be seeing everything in portrait mode. You just need to scroll down here to see all the information within that form. And here, as I said earlier, you have two separate charts. By default, it will show you the deal tracker chart. But if you click on this sales funnel, then the chart will be completely changed. You will be seeing this funnel chart. And here, if you click on any particular area, the list below will be dynamically filtered. And here also, based on the color of this chart area, you will be able to tell which pipeline stage we have, how much of opportunity in place. If I click on any area, the whole page will be dynamically filtered. Now I will show you how to configure or set up this opportunity pipeline view. For this, you need to go to app settings, and here we have a separate area, opportunity pipeline view. Once you click on it, you will be seeing this opportunity pipeline view from here. And by default, you can set a form. So in our current system, we have the opportunity form as a default form. But as a user, you can change any form. But just for default purpose, you can select any of the available opportunity main form here. And then below we have this compact header, business process flow extended bit. This is something I have already shown you in the UI. But if you want to predefine or default something, you can use this place. And similarly, here at the bottom, we have this matrices. I have told you that you can edit your metrics in the UI, but as admin, if you want to make it available for every user, you can come to this opportunity pipeline view, and from here also you can click on this edit metrics, and you can remove some of the existing unwanted metrics, or if you want to create a new metric, you can do it from here. If I click on create metric, I just need to enter the label that needs to be displayed in that opportunity pipeline view. And I need to select the aggregate function, how you want to display it and which field you want to select. Currently, we have these five aggregate functions. You can use any of them. Based on that, you can do the calculation and you can display it as a metric in your pipeline view. And if you scroll down here, you will be able to manage the charts. By default, you will see both deal tracker and sales funnel chart in your pipeline view. But if you want to have only deal tracker, you can just disable your sales funnel, or if you want sales funnel chart, you can disable your deal tracker chart. And directly from this place, you can edit your chart as well. If you click on this pencil icon, you will see the edit page of the particular chart, and from here you can select the x-axis, y-axis, and how you want to segment it. All those things you can do it from here. And tooltip is something, whenever I hover over any particular bubble, it will show you some details there, right? So if you want to have very limited information, you can remove unwanted options, or if you want additional information to be shown in that pop-up, you can add more details here. And once everything is done, you can just click on this publish, so that your changes will be reflected in your front page in the opportunity pipeline view. And here, if you see, before publishing, I just disabled the sales funnel chart, and I will only have this deal tracker. Now, after publishing, if I go to my application and refresh the page, and if I come to this pipeline view, I will only see my deal tracker chart. The other chart is now disabled. So now I will show you how to set this opportunity pipeline view as a default one. So we saw how to configure this opportunity pipeline view. So we will do this from app settings. But once this is done, we need to add this pipeline view into your opportunity table, and then you need to set it as default. For that, I have added this opportunity table inside my solution. And then for this particular process of setting the view as a default, we need to go to the classic view. So I will click on this switch to classic. And here in the classic solution, we need to click on this opportunity. Then you will see this opportunity details page. From here, I need to click on controls. By default, you will see the read only grid. Now you want to add the pipeline view here. You need to click on this add control, and then select this pipeline view from this control, and then click on add. And here we need to set the pipeline view as a default for your application. If you want to have this pipeline view as a default for your web browser, you can set it as uh, default for web, and similarly you can set this for your phone and tablet view as well. Once you are done with this setup, you can publish this. And once it is published, when you go to your opportunity page, you will be able to see the pipeline view that I have showed you. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.